आजच्या प्रेस कॉन्फरन्सात तुमच्या सगळ्यांचे स्वागत. माझ्या बरोबर आमचे सोशल वेलफेअर मिनिस्टर बाब सुभाष फळदेसाय आसात. आजच्या प्रेस कॉन्फरन्सान सगळ्यात पहिली इट इज एन lecturer in the department of the ENT on the contract basis in Goa Medical College, filling of one post. The grant for the ex post facto approval for the extension of the service of the Pramod Badani for 1 year. Okay, then appointment of the 4 number of the retired employee in the Department of the Printing and Stationery on the contract basis for the period of the 6 months on the contract basis. Proposal for the filling of the various posts in the Goa Medical College on the contract basis, initially for the 1 year until the filling of the post of the regular post. All are the teaching faculty post, not rest all. Only the teaching faculty post in the Goa Medical College. The Department of the Science and Technology Waste Management approval of the creation of the various posts in the Goa Waste Management Corporation. Extension of the services of the Gurdas Parab accountant in the NGPDA for the 1 year. The proposal of the ex post facto administrative approval for the expenditure sanction of the payment of the bill of the video at the Betul Fort for the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Abhishek Din. It is the amendment in the business of the government for the Government of Goa Allocation Rules 1987. Ex post facto approval of the sanction of the payment of the bill of the towards the Rajbhavan function at the second ceremony jallo ministerial so tennache. Ex post facto expenditure sanction the making of the payment of the Vincent graphic for the arrangement done during the celebration of the 100 days. Appointment of the MSTC of the e-commerce services e-auction. Appointment of the MSTC for the e-auction e-commerce services for the e-auction of the mining leases. This is a government central government PSU. Appointment of the superintendent for the detention center on the contract basis. Creation of the 43 various posts for the Mopa Airport police station and 21 various posts in the traffic cell of the Mopa Airport. Resumption of the proposal for the implementation of the HR management and a payroll system for all the employees in the electricity department due to the change in the implementation of the maintenance agency. It is a procurement of the solar renewable power energy 50 megawatt. Okay. So the upfront transfer of the government land from the Director of Archives and Archaeology under the Chaltakala to the Archives to Archaeology. Finalization of the sanction strength of the Department of the Sainik Welfare Board. That's all. Thank you. MSTC there is a government PSUs. आम्ही leases हे करपा खातीर appoint केला. MSTC this is an central government PSUs. आम्ही appoint केला leases e-auctions करपा खातीर with the SBI cap. कॅबिनेटाचे सोपून येयले. तुझ्या माहिती खातीर सांगता हांव सेव सॉयल हो कन्सेप्ट आमची जमीन ज्या एग्रीकल्चरा खातीर आमी वापरता जी आज प्लास्टीक वेस्टान वेस्ट जावपा लागल्या जी वेगवेगळ्या पद्दतीची जमीन जी वेस्ट जावन आसा पळय न्ही रे ती सेव सॉयल करपा खातीर. सेव सॉयल हेजो अर्थ मायनिंग बंद कर न्हू. फॉर ऑल ना तेजेर हांव नोटिफिकेशन एक्चुअली इट इज फॉर ऑल सगळी ऑफिसां तेज्या बरोबर सगळे तेजेर एक्शन जातले तांकां CRS घेवन घरा वयचें पडटलें कंपल्सरी. बाबा हो मोपाच्यो सर्विस्यो न्ही गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवाच्यो सर्विस्यो थंयसर भरल्यो वता. कितें जालें? थँक्यू. अरे हा तुझो विषय सांगपाचो मागे ओके.